Welcome to the best picks. The best resin mold silicone tray is probably one of the most versatile and creative tools available for crafters and DIY enthusiasts looking to produce unique items, from intricate jewelry and decorative coasters to personalized keychains and small storage containers, offering endless possibilities for artistic expression and custom gift making with its flexible yet durable silicone material that allows for easy demolding and repeated use, making it an indispensable addition to any crafting arsenal for those who love to bring their imaginative ideas to life. Number 5. Patelai Resin Molds Silicone Kit. Discover the Patelai 12 PCS Resin Molds Silicone Kit, your perfect companion for summer DIY projects. This comprehensive set includes everything you need to bring your artistic visions to life. Receive 5 round, 5 square coaster molds, and 2 storage box molds in both round and rectangle shapes. This ample quantity and thoughtful combination are designed to meet all your daily DIY crafting needs. Crafted from high-quality, food-grade silicone, these molds are lightweight, reliable, and reusable. They are safe to use, non-toxic, tasteless, and can withstand a wide temperature range, ensuring long-lasting durability. Featuring a smooth interior, demolding your creations is a breeze. Simply pour your resin, wait for it to cure, and gently twist the mold to release your artwork without any damage. The round molds measure approximately 3.54 inches in diameter, while the square molds are about 3.54 by 3.54 inches. The storage box molds come in convenient sizes for both round and rectangular designs. These versatile molds are ideal for a wide array of projects, from decorative coasters and jewelry to unique home decor items like phone holders and candle holders. Let your imagination run wild. What we like? This kit offers a fantastic variety of shapes, including round and square coasters, plus storage boxes. If you're looking for a comprehensive set to tackle various DIY projects from coasters to jewelry storage, this is a great choice. Its durable and reusable silicone ensures long-lasting use for all your crafting needs. What people say. The mold is very flexible and easy to demold. The finished product is very smooth and shiny. The mold is deep enough to create thick coasters. Number 4. YIGWANG 5 PCS Resin Tray Molds and Grinder Mold Kit. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need for your resin art projects. It includes molds for grinding, storage, and creating beautiful trays. Crafted from 100% silicone, these molds are flexible, durable, and reusable. They are designed to withstand the resin-making process, ensuring your creations turn out perfectly. More than just decorative pieces, these molds allow you to grind and store your items. The set includes a large tray mold, a grind mold, a holder mold, and a container. Understand the material needed for each component. The tray mold holds approximately 11.7 ounces, the grinder mold about 2.9 ounces, the holder mold about 1.4 ounces, and the container about 4.4 ounces. For stronger structures, use high-quality resin and a toothpick to remove air bubbles. Avoid using a torch, as it can damage the silicone. Demolding is easy once the resin is fully cured. Create unique handmade ornaments and give them as thoughtful gifts for any occasion. Surprise your loved ones with your personalized creations. We are here to help if you encounter any issues during the making process or before your purchase. Contact us for assistance. We'll respond within 24 hours. What we like? This option stands out with its unique inclusion of a grinder mold, perfect for those who want to create functional art pieces. If you're aiming to make resin art that serves a dual purpose of decoration and utility, like a stylish grinder and storage set, this is the one for you. Its large tray mold also offers ample space for bigger projects. What people say. This mold is very sturdy, not cheap and flimsy. Very easy to use with resin molding even for a beginner like myself. This mold is very sturdy, easy to clean and easy to remove the resin piece once it's dry. Easy for beginners also, this was the first dive into working with resin. The ashtray is such a cute size and shape. The little jar is absolutely adorable and I was worried the lid would just slide around since it doesn't screw on, but it fits inside the base perfectly. The tray is so cute. I like the design with the different compartments and think it would also make a great vanity tray for makeup, jewelry, skincare. Number 3. ResinWorld 13 Large Silicone Tray Mold. Introducing our extra large geode tray mold, featuring a unique irregular round shape. This spacious mold is perfect for creating stunning resin art pieces. Crafted from high-quality, flexible silicone with a shiny surface, this mold ensures a mirror-like finish on your creations. It's reusable, easy to clean, and designed for effortless demolding. Unleash your creativity with this versatile mold. Use it to craft fruit trays, geode agate pieces, clocks, or unique home decor items. Compatible with various casting materials like epoxy and UV resin, you can personalize your projects. Add pigments and dyes to bring your unique artistic vision to life. This makes a wonderful gift for yourself or a loved one. Create personalized geode agate trays to delight your family, friends, and customers. What we like. For those who love to make a statement, this extra-large geode tray mold is the perfect pick. If you're envisioning a show-stopping centerpiece or a grand serving tray with a unique, irregular design, this mold delivers. Its generous size and premium silicone create a stunning, mirror-like finish on your finished pieces. What people say. This mold makes a nice-sized serving tray without using huge quantities of epoxy. If you're into DIY resin projects, here's one for the books. You can place dried flowers, alcohol ink, glitter, or my last one I did was with miniature Star Wars toys. This mold is very solid and can be used many times. I've made over 20 resin trays with this mold. It's made well and my projects come out perfect. Number 2. Aoedeo Resin Silicone Tray Mold. Unleash your creativity with this large tray mold. Perfect for crafting unique pieces that showcase your personal style and taste. Crafted from high-quality, flexible silicone, this mold ensures easy demolding and cleaning. The finished product boasts a stunning, mirror-like shine. Simply twist the flexible mold to release your creation once it's solid. Cleanup is a breeze with soap and water, and storage is simple at room temperature. The possibilities are endless with this finished resin tray. Use it as a stylish tea or coffee tray, or for any purpose you can imagine. This elegant tray will be a fantastic addition to your kitchen table or any space. It's designed to be an eye-catching centerpiece in any room. Experience the beauty of its anti-adhesive interior surface, which results in a flawless, mirror effect finish on your creations. It's made of highly durable silicone. What we like. This mold is ideal for creating elegant serving trays with a sophisticated look. If you're looking for a mold that produces a smooth, shiny surface perfect for coffee or tea trays, this is an excellent choice. Its durable silicone and generous size make it easy to craft beautiful, functional pieces for your home or as gifts. What people say. The silicone is durable, flexible, and easy to demold, leaving a smooth, professional finish. This tray mold is superb. It is thick and sturdy and the sides do not warp. It creates a strewing thick tray. This tray didn't leave any grid lines, as stated in the description, is a much better quality of a mold plus, it's a little larger thus the resin is thicker for a better finished product. Number 1. 2 pieces DIY oval resin tray silicone molds. Crafted from premium silicone, these molds are built to last. They are soft, safe, and incredibly easy to use, ensuring a smooth demolding process every time. This set includes 2 versatile molds, perfect for your creative endeavors. They are ideal for making unique coasters, jewelry dishes, or decorative storage items. Each oval mold measures 7.3 by 3.8 by 0.8 inches, offering the perfect dimensions for your handmade resin crafts. Remember to keep them out of direct sunlight and clean after each use. These molds are designed for creating your own unique pieces. Personalize your creations by adding pigments, dried flowers, or other embellishments to make truly one-of-a-kind items. Beyond jewelry trays, these molds are perfect for making candle holders, candy containers, or even small plant pots. They also make thoughtful gifts for friends and family. Maintaining their shine is simple. Just clean them after each use to ensure they remain in excellent condition for future projects. What we like. This set of oval molds is perfect for creating smaller, decorative items and storage solutions. If you're interested in making unique ring dishes, trinket holders, or small decorative plates, these are a fantastic option. Their compact size and ease of use make them great for beginners and for creating charming, personalized gifts. What people say. Great mold to use as a trinket holder especially for men. Sturdier than some of the others I've purchased. Perfect size and always sells great. These work perfectly for smaller rolling trays. Easy to demold. Sturdy. Very pleased. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.